Hard to imagine from the mid-80s right now to the upper 40s for some areas by the time we get toward Easter Sunday. That's just part of the changes we experience this time of the year. And we're wishing you a very safe and happy weekend ahead as we have brief showers ahead. Cooler lake breeze is going to be the culprit on Easter Sunday. That is why we have the cool down that's going to be really impacting Sunday. Downtown Toledo, look at this right now, a page right out of the middle of summer. We do have some sunshine with mixed clouds, 85 degrees at a few degrees short of the record high, which is 88 today. Southwest winds 21 miles per hour and even a little more humidity that's been showing up into the area. Low to mid 80s across the entire area. Even look at this, Point Place, our lakeshore areas, which are typically accustomed to that colder lake breeze. You'll feel it Sunday, but not for your Friday evening. 84 in Perrysburg, 83 Maumee, Swanton at 85, and Sylvania at 83 degrees. Most areas in northwest Ohio, at least upper 70s, lower 80s, with Toledo being one of the warmest spots on the map at 85 degrees. Not just here locally, it is the warmest spot across the entire region, with 70s to the west, where clouds and rain is becoming a little bit more common. Now, there's a couple sprinkles on radar. A few of those sprinkles coming across lower Michigan, grazing northern Lucas County, and a few light isolated showers south of Findlay, down into Wyandotte and Crawford County. The better chance of rain, that's actually going to come well after midnight tonight. Could be closer to about 3, 4, 5 a.m. Some rain and a few isolated gentle rumbles of thunder tonight. Here's the clock, 7 a.m. on Saturday, so if you're an early riser, some light occasional rain showers. We're going to start the day in the 60s. We're just not going to move upward. We're actually going to slide back to the upper 50s to low 60s for Saturday afternoon. Here's the clock, 4 p.m. If you do need to be outdoors, mowing the lawn, or maybe just a little bit of yard work, if it's not too damp, you'll have an opportunity with some dry weather Saturday afternoon and early evening. More rain chances, light showers though, back Saturday night and into early Sunday. But by the time we hit daybreak on Sunday, there we are at 8 a.m. We could actually have a little bit of sunshine breaking through the clouds, so it will likely be a dry start to Sunday. Then towards mid to late afternoon, that's the window where we get a few isolated rain showers that will be possible toward middle and end of the afternoon. Our weather impact, though, for Saturday, it is going to be wet weather that's going to be out there first thing in the morning. We slide slowly back into the low 60s, and it could actually end the day in the upper 50s as we go through late Saturday afternoon. 63, quite a difference from the mid 80s we have right now, so turning cooler into the weekend. Upper 40s. That's it for Saturday or for Sunday. We do have some low to mid 50s south of Toledo, where you're a little bit more removed from that lake breeze. Some occasional rain showers on Sunday, but overall, much of Sunday will be dry. Back to 70 on Monday, upper 60s Tuesday, and we'll balance it out the rest of that 10-day forecast. Certainly looks like we've seen more sustained warmer spring weather ahead. Highs in the upper 60s and low 70s that are going to stretch right through that entire 10-day forecast. One day in particular, though, that is going to be this Sunday, stands out as a day that will be considerably colder.
Considerably colder. We'll still take that.
Yeah. Warmest place in the state right now.
We win something for that, don't we?
I guess a little
pat on the back.
Yeah, why
Thanks,
not?
Chris.
Yeah, if it's a Friday evening, we lined that up just nice leading into the upcoming weekend. So if you're outdoors tonight, maybe grilling out, cooking out, patio time.
Sleeping on your porch.
Sleeping out on the porch as well. Just be careful with the rain that comes in tonight.
Exactly.
Thanks, Chris.